Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and a new tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how I strand or sew this necklace. I use it on one of my bridal tutorial and I was asked to show how I sew this necklace. So this is what I'm going to be showing you today. It's quite simple though. The only difficult thing is how to select the bead. Selecting our bead means we have to know what beads come first and what beads come next. You know, coral beads are not always in the same size or the same shape. They come differently, so you have to know which one you have to put first and the one that is coming next. So this is the only work you have to be doing here, and stranding a bead is quite simple. That is why our work today is going to be very fast and simple. Although I'm going to be stranding two necklaces because that is what I use on this bridal tutorial, but it's still the same method. You just need to know which beads come first and which beads come next. By doing so carefully, you will have a very close to perfect necklace, because none of us can guarantee perfection in any form. Please continue watching, and for those who have asked for one tutorial or the other, be rest assured that I'm going to upload it in due time. Probably I don't have the necessary materials now, or maybe my work is also playing a role in my delay, but be rest assured that I will upload all the tutorial that you asked me to do. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, share, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And thank you all, and see you in my next tutorial. Love you.